Hello everybody. Today we're going to test which material would be best to make a raincoat with. Now then, for a raincoat, what property do you think is important? Property that would be important for a raincoat is that it should be waterproof. Can anyone tell me what waterproof means? Waterproof means water will not go through the material. We're going to test today 4 materials. I have wool, I have cotton, I have plastic and I have felt. I also have a beaker of water here to test the materials with. Now before we test the material, I would like you to make a prediction. Which material do you think out of these 4 would be the best material for a raincoat? So which material do you think will be waterproof? Do you remember the experiment we did before about absorbent materials? We do not want our raincoat to absorb water. I'm going to test the material using a pipette. Now you could do this experiment at home, but you might not have a pipette, but you could use a teaspoon of water and drop it on a variety of materials. I have attached my material to a cup. You could do the same with an elastic band. So let's have a look. I'm going to take up some water in my pipette and I'm going to drop it on my material. On your sheet you have a table. Mark your observations in the table. Does the water soak through? Is it absorbed by the material? Or does it stay in a droplet on top, which means the material would be waterproof? So let's see with the wool. Now that's quite hard to see, but if I look inside my cup, what can you see? Has the water absorbed? Did it stay on top? Or has it gone through? I can see some water in my cup there. Mark your observation on your sheet. Let's next have a look at the cotton. What happened to the water there? It was a little easier to see that time. What can you see in the cup? Was my material waterproof? Mark your observation on your sheet. Now let's have a look at the plastic. What's happened to the water there? Mark your observation on your sheet. Now for the felt. What's happened with my water there? Can you see the top? Is it still in a bubble like the plastic, or has it been absorbed? Now you have completed your results table, please write your conclusion.